Hello everybody, I, Niyati Sama of class 10C would personally recommend you to get vaccinated. If you think it has side effects, so let me clear it out. I got my first dose on 8th Jan and I did feel pain for a while, but after that I felt completely normal and better, in fact safer. So why don't we create a better environment for us and our loved ones? Thank you.
Class 10th and I recently got vaccinated at SM Medical College. It was a very safe and pleasant experience to get vaccinated there, and it wasn't very time consuming as I thought it would be. I got registered then and there, and it took only 2 to 3 minutes to get vaccinated. The staff was very cordial and patient with us, and every known precaution was also taken. I really wish for you guys to get vaccinated as soon as possible, as it is the only known cure for deadly coronavirus right now, and one vaccination can save hundreds of lives. So get vaccinated as soon as possible. Stay home, stay safe.
Good evening. My name is Madhav Goyal. I am studying class 10th of GD Goenka Public School, Agra. I got my first vaccination 3 days back from the school itself, and I don't have any body ache, cough or cold. I would like to request you all to get the vaccination as soon as possible, and I would like to thank the government and our school for the same.
I'm Vari Malhotra of class 9 and I received the first dose of Covaxin on 10th January in school. It was a good experience, it was painless and it hardly took 1 minute and it made me feel safe. After receiving the vaccine, I felt a sense of security that now I have something that will help me fight against COVID. So many people in the world have been affected by COVID, and knowing that now you can fight against it is just a sense of security in itself. I am thankful for the school for organizing such a camp where we could all get vaccinated and feel safe against COVID. And I recommend everyone to get the vaccine so that you can stay healthy and feel safe. Thank you.
Greetings to all. I, Rimjim Goyal of class 11C from GD Goenka Public School, Agra, was vaccinated last week. The experience was new, but to my relief, the process of vaccination was made very easy. After the vaccination, I had no side effects. All I had was pain in my left shoulder where the vaccination was injected. Other than that, I had no weakness or fever. So I encourage everyone of or below 18 to go get vaccinated as soon as possible. Thank you.
Jai Hind. I am Naya, studying in class 10th B. I got first dose of vaccine and I am feeling more protective. After first dose of vaccine, I didn't have any sort of body ache or any symptoms. And let us all of us come with school and government and must take first dose of vaccine. Thank you GD Goenka and thank you government for your support.
Greetings dear viewers. My name is Umang Jain and I study in class 11C in GD Goenka Public School, Agra. I got vaccinated on 3rd January and I'm here to influence you all to get vaccinated too, as getting vaccinated can effectively reduce the spread of COVID-19. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Anika Goyal and I'm from class 10th B. There are many confusions and misunderstandings about vaccination, but vaccination is very important for yourselves and others too. A vaccination is a way to build your body's natural immunity before you get sick. Vaccination is a way to protect yourselves and others too from COVID-19. Even if you have a previous infection, the vaccine acts as a booster that strengthens the immune system. Let us all take the vaccine and make the world COVID-free. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ritika Mishra, student of class 12. I am here to share my vaccination experience with you all. As we all are well aware that vaccination drive is going on in our country for children of age 15 to 18 years. And last Saturday, I also got vaccinated and I was doing completely fine. It was just a little pain in my hand and no other side effects. People getting other side effects like mild fever, headache, nausea, weakness, etc. are all normal symptoms, as we may get these symptoms after any sort of vaccination. I request our parents and all the teenagers to feel absolutely safe about the COVID vaccines, and I request our parents to kindly get their kids vaccinated as soon as possible. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay safe.
Hello everyone, I'm Sayukta of class 10th B and today I'll be sharing my experience of getting vaccinated for the first time. So I got vaccinated on 10th of Jan from a school camp. The first few days I had fever and also a little pain on the hand on which I got vaccinated, but it faded away soon. I ate paracetamol as suggested. I also made sure to eat a balanced diet. I drank juices every day. And now I'm totally fine. Overall, it was a good experience and I would suggest each and every person between the ages 15 to 18 to get vaccinated as soon as possible. Thank you.
Greetings to the whole Goenkan family. This is Kanishka Goel and I recently got vaccinated with my first dose of COVID vaccine in our institution, GD Goenka Public School. I'm thankful that the school management has organized this camp to ensure our safety. I would request all my friends to get vaccinated as it is completely safe. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं शिखर अग्रवाल कक्षा 11 जीडी गोइंका पब्लिक स्कूल आगरा का छात्र हूँ। कोरोना से बचाव की वैक्सीन मुझे लग चुकी है और कोरोना से युद्ध के लिए मैं तैयार हूँ। आप सब भी जल्द से जल्द ये सुरक्षा कवच पहने। कोरोना से जंग जारी है, इसको हराने की हम सब की बारी है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Aisha Goel. I'm one of the students of GD Goenka Public School, Agra. I want to share my experience about vaccination. Last Monday, I just got vaccinated in my own school campus. If I speak honestly, then definitely I am feeling much great after getting vaccinated. But of course, you all need to be little patient, little more calm and little more strong. And I want to say just please get vaccinated very soon as possible. We all are in this together. Stay safe, stay happy and stay positive.
Greetings to all, myself Yash Jain from class 12A. No doubt it's a great initiative by government to vaccinate children below 18 years of age. I thank both school and government for providing vaccination shots at such a faster date. All few people suffer from mild fever and nausea. Personally, I didn't feel anything. Therefore, I request each one of you to get vaccinated to keep ourselves and nation safe.
Good morning, I'm Shivi Kulshrestha of class 9A. I recently got vaccinated. I was a bit nervous about the vaccination process, but I was also happy that finally now I am protected against the virus, because as we all know that it reduces the person's risk of contracting the virus and is highly effective against the illness. So we should all get vaccinated. I also had a fever and I also consulted a doctor because I was a bit tensed about it. When we consulted a doctor, he said that fever is very common after the vaccination and do not worry about it. As we all know that how harmful COVID-19 has been since 3 years, and we should now all get vaccinated in order to get protected against this virus and to protect our families too. So it's my humble request, please get vaccinated as soon as it is possible in your nearest hospital. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Kanishka Agarwal of class 9A and I am recently vaccinated. I am here to share you my experience of being vaccinated. It was a really mixed up feeling at starting. I was afraid, but I even had that hope that I'll be prevented from all this pandemic, and I am much more at peace now. I like to say that everyone whoever gets the opportunity to be vaccinated, you should go for vaccination and you should be positive with hope in mind and grateful attitude. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Vidhi Singh. I'm a student of GD Goenka Public School. Our school recently organized a vaccination camp and I got vaccinated. There isn't anything to be nervous about it. It's a safer way for developing protection against COVID-19, and so I would encourage you all to get vaccinated and help contribute in this fight against the pandemic.
Hello everyone, this is Palak Bharadwaj and I study in class 11C in GD Goenka Public School, Agra. Today, I feel very proud and privileged to tell you all that I got myself vaccinated on 10th of Jan 2022 in my own school premises. Getting ourselves vaccinated is not only important for our good health, but also the health of our near and dear ones. I would also like to tell you that getting vaccinated is very sound and safe and doesn't cause any harm to our health. At the last, I would like to request you all to please get yourself vaccinated and be safe. At the end, I would like to request you all to please get yourself vaccinated, be home, be safe.
Good evening everyone. This is Prastuti Gupta. I am 16-year-old student from GD Goenka Public School. I got vaccinated on 10 January 2022 at my school vaccination center. I am here to tell you the need of being vaccinated today, as still many people are unaware of the situations that coronavirus are putting people into, so they are not taking vaccination serious. It is a need today to get vaccinated, as it boosts up your immunity and helps you to fight against virus. Vaccines are available for 15 to 18-year children, and you can have it freely after register yourself at the official website. Before taking it, do be mindful of the fact that if you are or if you have any disease, so do consult a doctor before taking vaccine. And also, after getting vaccinated, stay home and stay safe for at least 3 to 4 days, as after getting vaccinated, your immunity is weak. So, vaccination is indeed important in today's date. Thank you GD Goenka and our Government of India for providing us the facility of being vaccinated. Thank you.
Good evening, I am Shaurya Yadav. I study in GD Goenka Public School, Agra, and the purpose of making this video is for the awareness of COVID-19 vaccine. I have taken the vaccine 2 days ago, and for now I don't have any inverse effect of the vaccine. And I request you all to please have the vaccine, and it is no danger to have the vaccine. Thank you, stay home, stay safe.
Greetings to my fellow friends. I am Vanshika Agrawal of class 12, and I hope that all of you are doing well even in this state of pandemic. We, being the youth, it is our responsibility to stay optimistic even in the worst times, because we are the future. The times are tragic and our responsibilities are higher than anyone else right now. And one of those responsibilities include getting vaccinated. I got vaccinated on 10th January 2022 in our school GD Goenka. I hope you all can understand its importance, especially now when the cases are surging at such a high speed. I hope we can all spread awareness among ourselves, get vaccinated and get out of this pandemic together. Let us bring back the good old days where we roamed around freely and smiled without the masks.
Greetings to everyone. I am Rudraksh, studying in GD Goenka Public School, Agra of class 11th A. I feel glad telling you that I am vaccinated in the camp which was organized in our own school. Getting vaccinated does not only protect you but your family too. So getting vaccinated for the children of age 15 to 18 is a great initiative taken by our government. So I prefer you to take the vaccine as soon as possible. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Anushka Agrawal of class 11th. I have been recently jabbed with corona vaccination. My vaccination experience was a relief with some resistance. After getting vaccinated gave my family and me some assurance. I would request everyone who are eligible of getting vaccinated to get the corona vaccine as soon as possible.
Good morning, I, Anushka Sangal of grade 11th, got my first dose of vaccine. The vaccine offered me a preventive measure and I felt more safe and protected. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the whole GD Goenka fraternity as well as the government for providing us with an easy access to the inoculation process. Let us come together in this preventive deed and have a more stronger immune system to fight against the COVID-19. Get yourself vaccinated as soon as possible.